I heard that if you give a cat an egg, it will protect it because it can like sense it's fragile. I saw it in like a video. But I have an egg. I do a face on it because I want to. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so yeah, to that. We have the egg. Let's just he's just tapping the egg. Let me just he literally does not care. Bro, Fiji, do you not care that I put an egg under you? It's like 0 degrees or something. Bro, this dude. What is he doing? This dude. I'm just gonna. Yeah. Yeah. He survived. Yeah, I noticed that. I don't know what happened because I recorded this before. The egg's still alive. The egg died in the video. That part of the video, then, here's the egg. Bye.